Good morning. Oh my goodness. Last night I did a decaf version of Coffee Time, and unfortunately I don't think it was really decaf. And I was like up so much of the night. What I want to talk about is, in order to enjoy the now, we have to not get overwhelmed. I have to not get overwhelmed. I have a lot on my plate right now, and unfortunately, having so much on my plate, I feel like overwhelmed. And it's nothing that I normally can't handle. It's just that I need to make sure that I go step by step, that I break it down into steps rather than feel like, oh my God, I have so much to do and I run around like a chicken with my head cut off. Making sure that my lists are very good today is going to be critical for me to go through all these this overscheduled week that I have. So one thing I want to talk about first is I really love entertaining. And I love to have people to my home, and I love to meet new people and be gracious and really enjoy new company and share my life. And in order for me to do that and not go into my frenzied state, which I'm almost in right now, I really need to write a good list, break everything down into a step-by-step plan. The food, the house, the company, making sure everybody knows what time, the drinks, and keeping that list with me all the time. It's so interesting to me that I love to entertain, but yet I'm in my pre-entertaining mode, which is like a frenzied person. You would think if I would love to entertain so much that I would enjoy the process also. And that's what I really want to talk about today over coffee. How do you control your mind enough, or your thoughts enough, so that you do like the process? And I think the key for me is going to be to focus on the fact that we're all going to be together, that friends and family and new people are all going to be together, and we're going to get connected and enjoy the human experience, enjoy a good meal. I think the key is going to be what to focus on, and not focus on the details of making sure everyone's needs are met, and not focusing on what am I doing wrong, what am I not doing enough of. No matter what it is that I run out of, if it's ice or soda, I run out of it. People can drink other things. Like last night, I don't think the decaf was really decaf. And in my mind, I was racing through all the varieties of things that I could forget, that I didn't do. Am I going to have enough ice? And in a way, I woke up today exhausted. I didn't sleep so good, but I woke up today exhausted because my focus was on the wrong thing. I know that I'm going to have a great dinner party on Thursday night, and everything's going to be great, because the goal of the dinner party is to get together. The goal of the dinner party is not to evaluate Janet's skills at being a hostess. So I need to really make sure my focus is in the right place, and make sure that I just write a list as I think of it, so that I just thought that there's no soda in the house. Make sure that I get what I need so that I can enjoy the night, rather than run around. Now, normally, as soon as the first guest walks in, I feel this giant sigh of relief, and I go from the preparation state to the party state, and I'm fine. So, my goal for right now is to make the preparation state enjoyable. I would love any tips that you have about how I can do that or how you do that to really make the preparation state an enjoyable part. So many people like to plan and prepare. I don't think I'm one of them, but you have to do that, and I have to do it step by step. So if you could share your best planning and preparing tip with me, I would really, really appreciate it. Have a really good day. I'm on my way to the grocery store, first step, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.